What's up guys, I'm Jason, it's the Freebird Garage. Today we're installing Kemimoto handlebar guards today. Handlebar guards typically found on motocross have made their way to adventure bikes, now in the street scene. And Kemimoto has made now their version to fit Harleys. A lot of guys that stunt ride will have these, or generally just for the aesthetics, or will have it for just the protection to have when they're out riding. Because what they do is they cover your hand in case you get smacked with. Generally on motocross it'd be branches, trees, mud, water, whatever it is, keeping your hands dry or protected if you fall, crash. That's what these are doing. Now in this style version, it's going to protect from the elements. Well, let's go over what these look like, kind of get more in the details of it, and let's dive into the box and see what they are. Unboxing the Kemimoto handlebar guards, going over the box real quick, their logo with their slogan, complete the journey of the dreams on the front there. Bottom, standard box. They cover UTV, ATV, motorcycle, and boat. Back, Kemimoto, and just looks just like a standard box that'd be shipped in. Looks good in my opinion, keeps it simple. And on the model number that I have is a X003E7AELH, and that actually covers from them is a 2012 and up bikes. Now we're going to be putting this on my 1992 FXR. By looking at the specs of these handlebar guards, it should work just fine. They're pretty much standard on all Harleys for their handlebars. You may have to do a little bit of adjustment, but generally speaking, it will fit just fine. All right, so let's go ahead and open this up. All right, simple bubble wrap, very light on the packaging, so these have got to be sturdy. And all right, there is our throttle, short throw there. It's awesome. And then we have, of course, our clutch side, the longer reach to indicate that, and looks fantastic. Now, coming from Kemimoto, to protect your hands and keep them warm, these hand guards are daily used and especially good driving partners for your winter driving. They can protect your hands and fingers from little debris or other objects that may fly into your hands. Moreover, combined with the heated grips and the winter glove, you don't have to worry your fingers get cold when riding in the winter or your gloves get soaked when it rains. Now, the materials themselves is a solid metal and powder coating, sturdy sheet metal, no scratches or dents, a nice black finish. Powder coating can reduce paint chipping during long-term use. Large metal sheets can provide strong function in blocking the wind. Very simple design, powder coated black. They look fantastic. Let's get them on the bike. We're installing these handlebar guards on my 1992 FXRS. Now, the model number that I stated in the unboxing does cover from 2012 up. Dynas, but it should cover you for pretty much most and all Harleys out there. They do have specifics for the FLHs, so just pay attention to which model you have. But either way, you should have no problem sliding these over. All right, so we're gonna start off with the clutch side and move our way to the throttle side and get it done. Keeping it real simple, all we need to do is remove this mirror, gonna slide the new cover on, bolt it back up, and we'll be good to go. Now, there's plenty of thread on my mirror, so I know we'll have enough meat to be able to tighten this back down and plenty of room to adjust. So we're gonna remove this with a 1/2 inch. Making sure everything stays together, your washers, your nuts, or one nut on there and a washer on top. Gonna put this aside so we don't scratch it. Slide the new cover over. Just like that. And place the mirror. Bolt on. And then tighten that down accordingly right there. We're good to go on this side. Just need to make sure I have my final adjustment for my hand. Repeating the same steps, remove the mirror. Keeping that all together, put it aside. Check for fitment, and we're good there. Put the mirror back on. We're just gonna tighten this back down. Getting the final adjustment is very important because if you're not comfortable riding down the road or you got in the position that you don't realize that your fingers are smacking the guard before you can grab into that brake or clutch, gonna have a real bad time going down the road. So we're gonna adjust this right now for the final. And I'm kind of hitting just a little bit, so I'm gonna just move that out. There we go. Right about there. Mirror. Looks good there. Lock it down. Good there. And the same for the clutch. It's actually a little out, so I'll move that in. And probably go just a tad more. There we go. Snug it up as close as possible. There and there. Feels good. The mirrors will probably just need to be slowly adjusted when I get back on the road with it. But overall, looks awesome. Let's check it out from the wide. Bam! The final result of the handlebar guards by Kemimoto. These things look fantastic on my bike. They clean up the front end. They're black, so it's my favorite because it matches my bike, goes with everything else that I have schemed on this color for my 1992 FXRS. Now, these don't fit exactly to the year from what they say, but they definitely fit on my bike. No problem. These are from 2012 up models for Harley. Now go into their website, make sure they fit your model if you're interested. But this is something that works great for what I'm looking for, because in the winter time or towards the fall time or in the morning when I ride into work, my knuckles freeze and my hand starts to lock up if I don't have the right protection. I've done it plenty of times where I just wore my summer gloves in the morning and then rode to work and my hand was just locked up by the time I got in. And when you're trying to pull in a clutch, that's hard. It's not fun having frozen knuckles trying to get down the road. So this gives me plenty of protection. Also, it's easeability to move on and off the bike. So summertime, if I don't want these for some reason, it's locking in too much heat when I'm sitting in traffic or where I'm going, I can just remove them, throw them in my bag, take them off, whichever it is. They're easy, accessible. They save your paint, they save your area for your hand guards and everything. So it's just great option to look into if that's something that would fit your bike as well. And I will have a discount below in the comments or in my description. Kemimoto, thanks again for sending this. And as always, guys, if you have made it all the way through, I would greatly appreciate it if you could hit the subscribe button, tap that like, press the notification, leave a comment below, and tell me what you think. And for those that are subscribed, thank you. And as always, stay free. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.